Good morning, second years, BSc and BCS. This question, prove the set G of rational or real numbers. So, its elements belong to set of G other than 1 means any element you can assume in the G set now that is not equal to 1, that is condition. You can set in this set G, any element you can assume that element does not equal to 1, that is meaning. With the operation what is direct sum. This is a binary operation symbol direct sum. Just to plus is a binary operation. This is a direct sum symbol. Binary operation is a direct sum symbol. A direct sum B is equal to A plus B minus AB for all A common terms. Condition is given. To prove that Abelian group G is an Abelian group means 5 conditions: closure, associative, identity, inverse and complement. Next another question, show that what is x value 3 by 2 is a solution of this equation. 4 direct sum 5 direct sum x, 4 direct sum 5 direct sum x equals 7. This is the equation. This x value must satisfy this equation, means you can prove that x equal to 3 by 2. So this is a question. First we can selected condition A direct sum B is equal to A plus B minus AB. Total elements belongs to set form G, and one condition that element real numbers or rational numbers. And next condition, any element you can assume the set form G that is must does not equal to 1. So I am selecting A direct sum B equal to A plus B minus AB. This is 1 for all element of G. Let A does not equal to B does not equal to C does not equal to 1, means A does not equal to 1, B does not equal to 1, C does not equal to 1. Any element you can assume. This is one condition, is going to belong to G. Prove that G comma direct sum is an Abelian group. This is binary operation. Direct sum is a binary operation. So G is a non-empty set and all elements real numbers are rational numbers. So first closure law. A comma B belongs to G. So what is binary operation? Direct sum. So what is closure law? A direct sum B equal direct given condition. A plus B minus A. Any value can substitute in this condition. That is real numbers are rational numbers in the set form G. Let's associate A direct sum B of direct sum C equal A direct sum of B direct sum C. A direct sum B, let's spot A direct sum B of direct sum C. First A direct sum B is indication by 1 A plus B minus AB of direct sum C, and applying the by 1. This is A element, this is B element. Substitute the case given condition. A plus B minus AB direct sum C means A direct sum B means what is A plus B minus AB. So A means this total element, A plus B minus AB. B means only C element. Substitute this condition. A plus B minus AB means A plus B minus AB plus C minus A into B. Nothing but A plus B minus AB into C. After total simplification, A plus B plus C minus AB minus BC minus A plus ABC. This is LHS. Next RHS form. A direct sum of B direct sum C. First you can simplification in bracket term. B direct sum C by 1. This one. B plus C minus BC. By 1 B plus C minus BC. Next this is by 1. Again by 1 applying. A direct sum of B plus C minus BC means A means A, B means total elements. This is one question, one condition. So A plus B minus AB, A plus B means B plus C minus BC minus A into this total term, B plus C minus AB. After total simplification, A plus B plus C minus BC minus AB minus AC minus plus ABC. So A plus B plus C minus AB minus BC minus A plus ABC. So LHS equal to RHS. So associate law is satisfied. LHS is equal to RHS. Closure associate over. Next to identity. So third one, identity law. Action made identity condition with respect to place A plus B equal to A. This is a binary operation direct sum. I can take now A direct sum E is equal to A by 1. This one A plus E minus AB is equal to A. A direct sum is equal to A. This is identity law. Binary operation with respect to direct sum. So you can convert the E value. Applying this given condition, A plus E minus AE is equal to A. So this is left cancellation law. Left cancellation law, A cancel, only E minus AE is equal to 0. E is outside, 1 minus A equal to 0. Two cases. Case 1, E is equal to 0. Case 2, 1 minus A equal to 0. Final A equal to 1. But starting one condition is given. Any element does not equal to 1. So, but this side A equal to 1. So, this element is not taken. Only you can select this element. So, final element E equal to 0. In this question, what is added element means E equal to 0 is possible. Next one, inverse law. Inverse law, what is formula? Just to binary operation place A plus B equal to E. This says A direct sum B is equal to E. A direct sum B nothing but this one. A plus B minus AB is equal to E value. Identity 0. So you can find B is the inverse. B is the inverse of A. Means you can find the B value. So A plus B is outside, 1 minus A is equal to 0. Again left cancellation law. No, both sides you can addition of minus A plus A B into 1 minus A is equal to 0 minus A. Minus A plus A is cancelled, this is 0. So only B into 1 minus A is equal to minus A. Total B is equal to minus of 1 minus A. Nothing but A by minus and outside A by A minus 1. This is inverse element. B is equal to A by A minus 1. A by A minus 1 is a B value. This is inverse of this A. Therefore, A by A minus 1 is a inverse of small. So closure associative identity inverse is complete. Next completive. Completive means A direct sum B is equal to B direct sum A. This is 4 plus direct sum 5 plus 4 equal to 7. So what is LHS part? A direct sum B means A plus B minus AB. B direct sum A means by this one B plus A minus BA. Nothing but A plus B minus AB is equal to A plus B minus AB. So both are equal. A plus B minus AB equal to A plus B minus AB. So completed law is satisfied with law. Therefore, G comma direct sum is an Abelian group. So this is first condition is over. So given set form is important. Elements is selected in the set form G. Each element does not equal to one condition, very important. And next to given condition A direct sum B equal to A plus B minus AB. That is case given condition, that is one. And you can follow the any properties of the given condition. Closure associative identity and inverse and completive. In this question, what is added element? E equal to 0. This is the entrance point of view important. Or MSc or BEd, or you can prepare in the pre-PhD also. Some universities even offers very nice offers pre-PhD. Nothing but after degree you can join the course PG plus PhD course. That is called a pre-PhD course. So IITs and many universities given good opportunities in these countries and another countries you are interested. So this is the entrance point of view. In this question, A direct sum B is equal to A plus B minus AB. What is identity value? A equal to 0. So 4 options is given. You can find out the shortcut methods. That is, in this question, A equal to 0 over inverse law. A direct sum B equal to E. What is B value? Minus A by 1 minus A, and also minus A outside A by A minus 1. So A by A minus 1 is the inverse of A. Next completed A plus B equal to B plus A. So we go over. Therefore G comma direct sum is an equivalent group. This is okay. Next one condition is given. 4 direct sum 5. 4 direct sum plus 5 direct sum is equal to 7. You can find out the x value. So in this question, just you can find out the x value. First to 4 direct sum 5. Substitute this one. 4 plus 5 minus 4 into 5. Direct sum x is equal to 7. 4 plus 5, 9 minus this is 20. Direct sum x is equal to 7. So 9 minus 20. This is minus 11. Direct sum is equal to 7. So 9 minus 20 minus 11. Let's substitute by 1. What are means minus 11 plus x minus 11 into x is equal to 7. So minus 11 plus x plus 11x is equal to 7. So x plus 11x divided x is equal to 7 plus 7. 7 plus 11, nothing but 18. So 12x is equal to 18. Final 12x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 12. So x is equal to 9 by 6 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So this is the x value. So x is equal to 3 by 2. It must satisfy this equation. So this is the process. First we can prove that G comma direct sum is a equivalent group. After we can find out the x value. This is 3 by 2. Another method, what is means LHS part, what is 4 direct sum 5 direct sum x. You can substitute the direct x value 3 by 2. You can prove that final is equal to 7. So this is depending on this condition. So my process, what it means, 4 direct sum 5 direct sum x equal to 7. First absolutely 4 direct sum 5, applying this condition, 4 plus 5 minus 4 into 5 of direct sum x equal to 7. So 4 plus 5 9, 4 5 equal to the after simplification minus 11 direct sum x. Again substitute the by 1. This side by 1, this side by 1. Nothing but a equal to minus 1, b equal to x. So apply to this condition, and final after simplification 12x is equal to 7 plus 11. Nothing but 12x equal to 18. 12x equal to 18 after x equal to 18 by 12. 2 9 are 2 6 are after 3 3 are 3 2. Final x is equal to 3 by 2. This is x value. So this is the question. Main important entrance point of bits in groups or rings, very important. MSc or BD will start the preparation now. So group 3 start this semester, groups and rings. In MSc or BD entrance point of view, minimum 10 to 15 questions. Groups 10 questions and rings. So very just statements and laws and given condition you can find out the identity element. That is the some entrance point of bits, and very important, Z comma plus is a group and equivalent group. What is the identity element? E equal 0. Z minus 0 comma dot is a group. What is the identity element? E equal 1. That is also very important entrance level questions and answers. So this is the process. Okay, fine.